Today we have a new topic which is the rational number. I hope you would like this. Before starting the rational number, let's start why we need a new types of number. Whenever we don't have the idea for the counting, then we just compare the objects in the group. After some time, we get the counting numbers. Later, these counting numbers become to known as natural numbers, and we define them in order we say that all the counting numbers are known as natural numbers. Okay, all the counting numbers, all the counting numbers all the counting numbers are natural numbers. Natural number. Why it is known as natural number? Naturally, we use the number to count. Naturally, we use the number to count the objects are known as natural number. But it is not complete. But the natural number is not complete. Okay? These natural numbers are not complete. But if we introduce a new number in the set of natural number, then it becomes complete. And this another number is 0. And now this set is the complete. And hence this set is known as whole number. So here we get a new types of number which is known as whole number. We say that all the natural numbers including with 0 is known as whole number. All the counting numbers including 0 known as whole number. Okay. So the natural number is used to count naturally. We start counting from 1. Therefore, sometimes the natural number is known as counting number. And whenever we introduce 0 with natural numbers, then it becomes to known as whole number. And from this concept of natural number and whole number, we define a new types of number which is called integer. Integer. What are the integers? We say that the negative natural number with the whole numbers. Integers, negative natural number, negative natural numbers, negative natural number with whole number are called integers. Okay. So what is the negative integer? -3, -2, -1, and the whole numbers. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is the integer. We define the integer. We say that negative natural numbers with whole number is called integers. Okay, the numbers in the integers, the number lies on the left side of 0. The numbers lie on the left side of 0 are negative number, and hence they are the smaller than the number lying on the right side of 0, because the number that lie on the left side of 0 are negative number, and the number that lie on the right side of the number 0 is known as positive number. Therefore, we in the comparison decide that the positive numbers are always greater than the number which are negative. Therefore, the numbers that lies on the left side of 0 are smaller than the number lies on the right side of 0. Okay, so this is the integer. Using the concept of integer, we define a new types of number which is called rational number, which is the rational number. So let us see what is the rational number. Any number that can be written in the form of p by q. Okay, any number that can be written in the form of p by q having the condition q cannot be equal to 0 is called natural number. Is known as rational number. We define the rational number, any number that can be written in the form of p by q having the condition q does not equal to 0 is called rational number. There is a question arise, what are p and q? If we write any number in the form of p upon q, then what are p and q? Okay, then p and q are any two integer. Okay, are where p and q are any two integer. Therefore, we say that any number that can be written in the form of p upon q is known as a rational number having the condition q does not equal to 0, where p and q are any two integers. So here we have used the name integer, which means that rational number can be positive as well as can be negative. Okay, so like integer, rational number are also negative rational number, positive rational number and zero rational number. Here, one most important thing is that why q cannot be equal to 0. Here, a question is why q does not equal to 0. This is the question. Here a question arises, why q does not equal to 0. Let me explain. Why is it so? If we put q is equal to 0, just suppose that if I write p 5 by 0, then here the meaning is 5 is divided by 0. 5 is divided by 0. Now let's divide and observe what we get. So whenever we divide 5 by 0, then here if I write 0 multiplied by 0, then we get 0, and 0 minus 5 is equal to 5. Again 0 time we get 0, and 5 minus 0, 5. Again 0 we get is 5. So here we can see that 0 are continuously increases in any time when we read the table of 0, which means that it will be continued to the infinite time. Means that if we count 0, then we cannot divide 5 by 0 at any time. This means that 0 can be produced to countless time, which means that this relation is undefined. This relation is undefined. Okay? That means this relation is undefined. That means we cannot define the value of 5 upon 0. Therefore, whenever the value of q becomes 0, the value of the whole rational number becomes undefined. Therefore, to get rid of by this undefined function, we apply the condition q does not equal to 0. Okay, and hence here we get the definition of the rational number. Any number that can be expressed in the form of p upon q is called rational number. So let me write the definition here one more time. Any number that can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where q does not equal to 0, is called rational number. Is called rational number, where p and q are integer. Where p and q are integers. Okay, so this is the definition of rational number, and I hope that you get clearly. Okay, here since p and q are the integers, since p and q are integer, which means that since p and q are the integer, which means that this rational number may be negative. This rational number may be negative rational number, or it may be positive rational number. Since we are talking about integer, this means that it may also be zero rational number. Okay, so this is the variant of rational number according as the concept of integer. They may be positive rational number, zero rational number, negative rational number, because here we define that P and Q are any integers. In the sense of any integer, these two integers may be negative or may be positive or zero. Therefore, this rational number P upon Q may be positive, may be zero, may be negative rational number. So this is the a little introduction of rational number, and I hope you are all understood about the idea of the rational number. We shall discuss about the rational number deeply in the next session. Till then, goodbye.